Hello, travel enthusiasts. Today we're exploring the beauty of Sudan. Picture this: a land nestled within the heart of Africa, kissed by the sun, and cradled by the Red Sea to the east. This is Sudan, a country that's a treasure trove of scenic beauty and cultural richness. From the vast, arid deserts that seem to stretch on endlessly, to the life-giving waters of the Nile River, Sudan is an enigma, waiting to be discovered. Its climate is as diverse as its landscapes, ranging from sweltering heat to cool, pleasant breezes. But what truly sets Sudan apart are its unique features: breathtaking pyramids that rival those of Egypt, stunning wildlife reserves, and underwater wonders that lie beneath the Red Sea. Each of these elements paints a vivid picture of a country that's as beautiful as it is diverse. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey to uncover the best scenic spots in Sudan. First on our list is the lifeblood of Sudan, the Nile River. This majestic river, the longest in the world, holds a special place in the heart of Sudan. It's not just a geographical landmark but a symbol of life, fertility, and civilization. Its waters have nurtured countless generations, and its banks have witnessed the rise and fall of ancient empires. The Nile River, in its journey across Sudan, paints a canvas of stunning landscapes. It bisects the country into two halves, creating a striking contrast between the arid desert and the fertile riverbanks. This divide is a testament to the Nile's life-giving power, transforming barren lands into flourishing ecosystems. As the river flows, it carves out breathtaking scenes. Picture this: lush green fields stretching out as far as the eye can see, dotted with palm trees swaying gently in the breeze. Imagine the river at sunrise, its surface sparkling like a field of diamonds as the first rays of the sun touch its surface. At sunset, the river turns into a mirror, reflecting the fiery hues of the sky. Indeed, the Nile River offers an ever-changing panorama that can captivate any observer. But the Nile is more than just a pretty picture. It's the cradle of Sudan's agriculture, providing fertile lands that yield bountiful harvests. It's the main artery of transportation, enabling trade and connectivity. It's a source of life, quenching the thirst of millions and providing sustenance to diverse species of flora and fauna. Moreover, the Nile is steeped in history. Its waters have borne witness to the ebb and flow of different civilizations. From the ancient Nubians to the modern Sudanese, the Nile has played a pivotal role in shaping the country's cultural, social, and economic fabric. The Nile River, truly a spectacle and a testament to nature's grandeur. It's not just a river but a symbol of life, a bearer of history, and a creator of stunning landscapes. In Sudan, the Nile is not just admired, it's revered. It's not just observed, it's experienced. And that's what makes it an integral part of the country's identity, and one of the best scenes in Sudan. Next we head to the sand-swept pyramids of Meroë. Engulfed in the timeless embrace of the desert, these architectural marvels stand as silent sentinels of Sudan's illustrious past. The pyramids of Meroë, named after the ancient city of Meroe, are unique not just in their number but also their design. Built between the 1st and 6th centuries, these pyramids served as the final resting places of the Kushite royals. Unlike their more famous cousins in Egypt, these pyramids are smaller and steeper, their design influenced by the Kushites' own interpretation of the afterlife. The city of Meroe itself was a hub of trade, culture, and iron production, earning it the nickname the Birmingham of Africa. It was the heart of the Kush kingdom, a powerful civilization that thrived for over 1,000 years. The pyramids, numbering over 200, are a testament to the prosperity and grandeur of this ancient empire. Each pyramid is accompanied by a funerary chapel, adorned with beautifully carved hieroglyphics and images. These carvings offer a window into the lives and beliefs of the Kushites. The pyramids were designed to ensure the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife was a grand one. They were filled with treasures, offerings, and even servants to accompany the deceased in their eternal voyage. However, these pyramids faced the wrath of time and man. Many were damaged by treasure hunters in the 19th century, their treasures looted and their histories erased. Today, the pyramids stand as a poignant reminder of the transience of human glory. Set against the vast expanse of the desert, the pyramids of Meroe are a sight to behold. Their weather-beaten facades, kissed by the desert sun, exhibit a rustic charm that is both haunting and enchanting. They stand not just as tombs, but as symbols of human resilience, of an ancient civilization's determination to defy time and etch their stories in the sands of eternity. The pyramids of Meroë, a peek into Sudan's glorious past. Now let's venture into the wild at Dinder National Park. Tucked away in the southeastern corner of Sudan, Dinder National Park is a haven of biodiversity, spreading over a vast area of more than 7,000 square kilometers. This park is a mosaic of habitats from lush woodlands and grassy savannas to serene wetlands, each one teeming with an array of wildlife. Imagine the rustle of tall grasses, punctuated by the calls of birds and the distant roar of a lion. This is a typical day in Dinder, where the rhythm of life beats to the tune of nature. The park is home to a variety of species, from gazelles gracefully bounding across the plains, to warthogs rummaging through the undergrowth, and from stealthy leopards stalking their prey, to vibrant birds flitting overhead. But it's not just the wildlife that's diverse. The landscapes themselves are a feast for the eyes. Picture vast expanses of golden savanna, dotted with acacia trees stretching as far as the eye can see. Imagine the sun dipping below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, while the silhouettes of giraffes amble across the backdrop. Dinder National Park is not just a place to see, but a place to experience. Here you can delve into the world of African wildlife on guided game drives, or trek through the wilderness on walking safaris. You can visit the local communities that live in harmony with nature and learn about their traditions and ways of life. And at the end of the day, you can unwind under the star-studded sky, with the sounds of the wild as your lullaby. This park is a testament to Sudan's commitment to conservation, providing a sanctuary for wildlife and a playground for nature lovers. With its rich biodiversity and stunning landscapes, Dinder National Park offers a unique experience that transcends the ordinary, immersing you in a world where nature reigns supreme. Dinder National Park, a paradise for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Finally, we dive into the underwater world of Sanganeb Marine National Park. Nestled in the heart of the Red Sea, off the coast of Sudan, this marine paradise is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Known for its pristine coral reefs, Sanganeb is a haven for divers and marine life enthusiasts. Its reefs, a breathtaking spectacle of vibrant colors, are home to an astonishing array of marine species. From darting clownfish to majestic manta rays, and from shy sea turtles to playful dolphins, the park is teeming with life at every turn. But it's not just about the fauna. The flora too plays a starring role in the underwater drama. Coral gardens, seagrass meadows, and kelp forests create a dreamy landscape, a silent symphony of life and color. The serene beauty of Sanganeb is not merely skin-deep. It is a sanctuary of biodiversity, a testament to nature's resilience and creativity. Every rock, every crevice, every wave tells a story of survival, adaptation, and coexistence. Beyond the vibrant life that thrives beneath the surface, Sanganeb is also a place of quiet tranquility. The sounds of the bustling world above fade away, replaced by the gentle lull of the ocean. The only interruptions to this peaceful silence are the occasional clicks and whistles of curious dolphins and the soft rustle of swaying kelp. The underwater world of Sanganeb is a place where time seems to stand still, where the worries of the world above seem distant and insignificant. It's a realm of unspoiled beauty, a realm where nature reigns supreme. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a novice eager to explore the depths, Sanganeb Marine National Park promises a journey of discovery, an immersion into a world less known yet infinitely captivating. Sanganeb Marine National Park, an underwater wonderland that leaves you in awe. And there you have it, the most stunning sceneries in Sudan. We've sailed along the majestic Nile River, marveled at the ancient pyramids of Meroe, explored the wild expanse of Dinder National Park, and plunged into the vibrant underwater world of Sanganeb Marine National Park. Each of these destinations is a testament to the breathtaking beauty and rich history that Sudan has to offer. But remember, there's nothing quite like experiencing these wonders firsthand. So why not pack your bags and set off on your own adventure? Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and stories of these remarkable places. Indeed, travel is more than just seeing new places. It's about the memories you make and the perspective you gain. So where should our next adventure be? Please comment your suggestions below and don't forget to like and subscribe to keep our journey going. Until next time, happy travels.